this video, we are unboxing a subscription box from the Fabulous Planner. It is the December luxury box, and then we are going to decorate the first week in January in my Happy Planner vertical layout. Ooh, this month's theme is Winter Fiesta. How pretty. Ice blue. All right, stickers, stencil, woo, to buy sticky notes, flag stickers. This is probably washi tape. I don't know. We're gonna have to check it out. There's always a surprise in these boxes. That's what I like best about them. There's always something that surprises me. Happy holidays. A card in an envelope. Ooh, look at this washi tape. That's pretty. Ooh, look at this. More washi. Pretty pen. And our covers. It comes with a planner cover if you get the luxury box, and a whole month of weekly layouts come with it as well. Look, it's got like a little Cinderella theme to it. I always like to start off with washi tape when I'm decorating. I don't know why. I just have set up my own like decorative system. You can do the same if it makes it easier for you. And with my little checklist of how I like to decorate, I start with washi tape. And that way I kind of always have a place to start. I start with washi, then I do boxes, checklist of bullet points, and then decorative stickers. And it just kind of keeps me on track. So let's start off with trying out this washi tape. I'm going to use both of these kind of stacked together. Let's see, my schedule next week. I want to put this on Monday. Ooh, it's like an ombre. Look how pretty. All right, that's gonna go. I think I want to do something. Okay, I think I want to do this. I want to put it at the top. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then at the bottom, Thursday through Sunday. I'll show you what I mean. It's going to be like opposite. So let's do it with the glitter kind of starting at the top on that side and then at the bottom on this side. Just because, no reason. You can use your washi functionally or decoratively. I use it for both. I use it functionally on the monthly usually, and then on the weekly, usually I'm decorating with it. Okay. Then I'll take this little skinny washi and layer it on the underneath and on the top of that one, just because you'll see it looks cool. It makes me happy. And that's all that matters. See how cute that is with the washi layer? So pretty already. Just like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just opened up this little box. It's little die cuts. This little forest. This is cute and I love it. And it's going to look so good with our little washi background we just made. I should have opened this first, but this will work. So it's like little forest critters. Forest animals. All right, let me pick a few of these. Oh, I like the trees too. And we'll do like a little scene on the top and the bottom. Okay, I created a little scene. I really liked the trees and the deer the best, so I'm going to put them in this section. I'm not sure about this other section over here. I think I'm just gonna leave it for now and do something different. And then I definitely want to use that Happy New Year since this is the first week of the new year. On these little die cut stickers, you just peel the backing off and then just stick them down. All right, last step, little deer sticker right there. Put those back in the box. Look how cute. All right, let's check out these stickers before I do anything else. That stencil, because we might need to plan out our sticker a little bit. All right, we have pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my gosh. Love. Oh, look at those shoes. Okay, so, so pretty. All right, look at these. All right, I think the stickers are going to work in the week so that we can go ahead and do this. I wanted to put this up on the Monday. I just got to punch out this little extra piece on the happy. There you go. I want to put it right here. Happy New Year. About like that. And let me just go grab a marker to color it in with. I'm gonna try this glitter highlighter. I think this will look really cool. Let's see. I'm just gonna color in the stencil with this highlighter pen. All right, let's see what happened. It might be kind of smudgy. Oh my gosh, yes, way too inky. My mistake. But that was fun. The New Year looks okay. This got way too smudgy. The ink was too liquidy. So yeah, use a regular marker. So now I'm gonna have to cover that up. Let me grab a baby wipe to clean this off. All right, I have an idea. I'm gonna leave that smudgy background and then go on top of it with like a regular marker. This is a Papermate Flare, and just like write this in so it'll have like a cool background, and then have the letters. All right, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's much better. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna fill in a little bit where I want it to be. A little more inky. All right, now that looks kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna start putting down some decorations. I really like this little weekly checklist. I'm gonna put this here. And there's a little sticker that says this week. Let's put that there. All right, there's a few of these stickers I definitely want to use. I really like this one and the shoes. Let me find a few places to put these. I'm just kind of figuring out my layout here. Let's go with this here. And the shoes. I want this sticker on the weekend. I don't know why. I just think that would be cool if it said weekend. I really like this box. All right, this is kind of like Happy New Year vibes. I want to add all of these kind of off-centered. I kind of like these boxes clustered here. I don't know, it's a little different. I'm going to do it. All right, I layered this one with the little balloon stickers. I think it's going to go over here. All right, I just added in these two little checklists. I'm going to add this little tasks here. And then either reminder, organize. Let's put reminder on this one. Those are cute. All right, what should we do with this sparkly paper? It's a sticker, and it's on grid on the back so you can cut it out and kind of see like what shapes you're making. I just have to think of what I want to do with it. Okay, I decided I'm going to overlay it on our little Happy New Year. So it will fit in this box here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it just to this edge because that's where the line is. So I know at least it'll be kind of straight. As straight as I can cut. And then it'll cover up the words. That was kind of crooked. But it'll go right here. So let me peel off this backing and let's see what that looks like. All right, here's the clear sparkle paper. Grab my tweezers, should help make it a little easier to line it up. Kind of want it like right under the words. All right, let's see if it looks cool. You see the shininess? I'm not sure I like it layered on the washi, or maybe I'm gonna trim it. I'm gonna trim it just so it's even with this washi. Okay, it's kind of cool. I like it. I will definitely have some projects in January, so let's go ahead and put projects here. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I like this color theme and this washi tape, their little deer and a little Cinderella blue, ice blue. I added in a few check marks so I can make a little projects list on the column. And I wrote in weekend on the sticker and I love it. I'm also adding in one of those to buy sticky notes so that I can put a little shopping list in here too.